Okay, here's your Canva tutorial for creating some stuff. And the cool thing about Canva is you can design completely from scratch, or you can start with one of their templates that they made, okay? So just for the ease of getting started, I'm gonna start with a template. I'm gonna look for a checklist and see if I can find something in here that I kind of like. And then the only thing I look at here is like basic layout. We're not looking at colors. We're not looking at words. We're not looking at images, right? We're just looking at like a basic layout that we like. So, you know, if you like this, like a whole bunch of checklists, then you can pick this one. You can even pick this one if you don't like this notes section and you just want like 2 checklists here. So that would be a good one to pick there for that. If you want like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday checklists, this is a good one. You know, any of these checklists that you want to like pull into 4 different spots. Checklists that need notes, maybe right there, right? Okay, so any of those you can pick. I'm going to pick this one just because I'm going to show you how we can like the note section or change it or whatever. And so we're going to pick it. Okay. I don't know what we're going to call it. Let me go here. Let me first go here to this color. You can change the color of anything, right? And so if I go to this note section and I click on this little square here, that's where I'm going to be able to go in and change the color. And I'll tell you guys about this stuff here in a minute or in the next little video. But I went on the math you like is 1 A, B, C, 9, C, right? So there's the color that comes up with that hex code. You just click on it and it changes it. Okay, now you might be wondering, and then I'm going to do it over here real quick just because, right, just to make it all match. Now see how this is darker and that's the actual color that it is, but this is a little lighter. Okay, chances are this one, this little box right here is transparency, and see how it's down to 35 transparency. So they've used that to make this lighter so that when you type notes on it, it shows up, right? We're gonna make that color as well. And we're gonna call it, we're gonna change the words to math. Let me click on it again, math. If I can type, you get. Or calculus topics. The exhaustive list of calculus topics, okay? And so here you have all of these little check boxes. And you can go in here and change what it says anywhere you want. You just click on it and change it, right? Just click on it and type it again. Yeah, I just deleted it instead. See, Command Z or Control Z always undoes what you're doing. Just if you don't know that keyboard shortcut, you should, because it's a good one. Math, right? And then it all goes back down where it's going to go. So you just change what you want to change. You can change this as a background color and this as well, right? So here, like I could change it to like the gray color, or I can go in and go to photos and I can pick, or let's go to backgrounds. So there's backgrounds and photos. You can go to either one. We'll see if this will get loaded. So anyway, I like these kind of abstract-y things. So, oh, that went on that one. I was clicked on the wrong one. Control Z, click back up here. Nope. It's because the background here is white. So we're gonna go here, go to photos. Didn't want to go there. Anyway, you can put those in there. Let me see, let me pick one that I like the look of here. Let's search the photos for math. Let's put a blackboard in there. Okay, so we're gonna go up here, right? We're gonna make this the same size as this gray. And then we're gonna push it to the back, not quite that far. Make now our text needs to be a different color, maybe black. It might even need to be a different font. It could definitely be bold. But here you can choose any font you like on anything, right? So there we go. Chibo Black will make it like, I still don't like the color, but it doesn't matter. One of the other things you can do, right, to make this stand out, whatever title is go here, make it whatever color you want. Let's make it white. Let me see if that stands out better. No, not really. But you go here to duplicate and it makes it again, change it to a different color, right? And then you can put it right on top. Use your arrow keys to go like over to, down to, and now you have a little shadow that you can change the color of. Yeah, that's helpful a little bit actually. And then maybe I decide, you know, this background's driving me crazy. I can just select it, hit delete, and it's gone. Okay, I still have my little shadow behind there. If I don't like this note section, again, I can delete it, hit delete on my keyboard, click there, hit delete. Then I can go here, right? And now I'm collecting both of those things. So I'm just dragging and dropping and then copy, paste, and then just drag it over. Align it how I want. I think I like it right there, right? And now I have a double columns. So I just go through and play with however I want it to look, right? Ooh, I kind of like this picture. That's kind of cool. Whoop, I didn't want to move that. It's kind of cool. Maybe this should be geometry topics here, right? Okay. I'm not going to keep this one, obviously, so I'm going to go back home. And I'm going to end this tutorial right now. I'm going to erase this one out of my, so these 3 dots here in any of your designs, right? You can move it out. It automatically saves anything you have. I don't always, I mean, for flyers and things like that, I trust the measurements, but like Facebook posts can be anything from this size to like 800 by 1000 pixels. So I'm gonna come back in and do another one of these, but I don't wanna make the videos too long. So I'm gonna stop this one and do another one.